Good morning, gentlemen. We are at the Graco facility in Minneapolis. My name is Amir Saeed. I'm the regional manager for Graco ONG, and we have Tamer Matkour from the product side. We wish to demonstrate the dry run scenario in a pneumatic driven plunger pump. And all the offshore operators have been complaining that the pumps, if they run dry, they tend to stall. So Tamer, over to you. Could please explain to help the viewer understand what is the pump capacity, the plunger size, what pressure it can handle, the flow rates and things like that, and especially about the Harrier, because that's new for a pneumatic pump to be controlled with.
Yep. So the Python XL DA25 comes in 3 plunger sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. The pump is capable of around a gallon a minute and up to 15,000 psi capability. The lower comes with a 2.5 inch stroke, and today we're demonstrating how this pneumatic pump is actually being controlled by our Harrier Plus controller. The Harrier Plus will unlock automation features as well as being able to control your pump remotely. So what we're going to demonstrate today is, in the event that your pump runs dry, the pump will continue to run until it sucks more fluid in, and basically you're not going to interrupt operation.
What is the usual problem if a pump runs dry?
Typically your pump will lock up if a pump runs dry, but with this design, it's a double-acting self-priming pump, and that's what we're going to try to demonstrate today.
Yeah.
All right. So what we have here is a little bit of fluid in our column here. We're going to suck all that fluid out. You'll notice the gauge here will hold pressure while we're doing that.
The fluid is...
So you can see the fluid has exited the column. Now your hose is white. All the blue fluid has escaped, and you'll notice a change in sound. The pump is trying to cavitate right now, but that's because there's no fluid in the pump. So now we're going to fill the column up with fluid.
The pump is under a cycle, that is the reason it is stopped?
That's correct. The pump is running on an on-off cycle right now, but we can manually start it to demonstrate that it's going to basically prime itself. You can start to hear the change in sound, and you notice it's solid blue in the hose. And now it's going to start resuming its normal cycle. That's just on the cycle, please. Continue to run it.
Could we loop this back again?
Yes.
Yeah. So could we stop the valve so that the pump has gone through the whole liquid? And then once it is free, we're going to repeat the whole cycle again.
Yep. So now we're going to drain the fluid column. Again, this is on an on-off cycle, so if it stops, I'll manually start it.
And it's quite obvious, you can make out from the sound.
That's
that
correct.
The pump is running dry.
Yep.
Yeah.
So here we go. You notice all the fluid would exit the hose, change in sound. All right.
Okay. So could we restart the pump first?
Yep.
Okay. Could you please do that? So the pump is running dry now.
Currently it's running totally dry.
And you can see it's working. The plunger is moving up and down. Could we try to get some chemical in?
Yep. Now I'm going to fill the fluid column.
Okay.
Restart my pump.
So the chemical is back in. You can see there's a small
Air bubbles in
air
there.
bubble in the pipe.
And there it's clearing those air bubbles.
So, I mean, that is an interesting feature because in a plunger pump, this is a very unseen feature, which primarily is only seen in double diaphragm. But this is the new design what Graco has come up with, and we are very confident the offshore operators across the world is going to love the features. Thank you. And any questions, feel free to reach us. Have a good day.
Thank you.